enjoying your day. So in this video, we are going to be learn about how we can create the app. So for example, if you are in grade 1 or grade 2 till grade 10, you can watch this video. Okay, even grade 11, 12 student also, they can also watch this video. Okay, so basically we are going to be learn about how we can create a codes like a apps. Okay, so for creating the app, we are going to be use or blog based. Okay, so for example, let me search for Thunkable because this is the platform that we are going to be use for this app. Okay, the very first thing, what is app? If you will open your mobile phone, there are lots of app you can see in your mobile phone. Like we can take an example of YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. There are calculator, calendar, and we have lots of apps. Okay. So in order to create your own app, we will require the coding, right? So for this this project, for this video, we are going to be use the blog base. Like we will not write a code. We will just use the blocks because this is for child. Okay. So that's why we are using the blocks. Okay. So it's very simple. You have to go to the Google. You need to search for Thunkable app. This is the first link itself. I'm going to give you the platform link in the description box so that you can use it. Okay. The very first thing we are going to be login. Login means you need to create your user ID and password, but we will not create a user ID and password here. Okay. So basically, we will try to log in with our Gmail ID. So our first project is guess who? Like suppose the working of the project is we have to run the project. You will get one app. Okay. So let me show you which kind of app we are going to be create. Let me run it. Live test. So it is showing us click me. If I will click on click me, my camera will open. Camera will capture the photo, and based on that photo, camera will recognize what this photo all about. Suppose if I will click on capture. As you can see, my camera is open. Camera captured the photo, and you will get the result like a man wearing glasses and smiling at the camera. So most probably you are getting the right answer. Let me take my mobile phone. I will act like I'm just talking in the mobile phone. Okay. Let's see. A man wearing glasses and looking at the phone. So it is taking the correct object name also. So how we will achieve this? Okay. Let's start this project. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay. Because it will help the other student also, like they can learn the coding. It's very simple. We need to just click on this create blank project. If you will click here, it will ask you what's your project name. Suppose my project name is image recognizer. I'm just giving this name. You can write any name. So this name will be your app name. So image recognizer. This is our project name. Then we have to select the category. It means your project belongs to which category. So as you can see, I just selected this project belongs to education category. And then we need to uncheck it because we want the drag and drop facility. That's why we want to uncheck. So this three thing only you have to put in this project, which is your project name, category, and you need to uncheck and just click on create button. So once you will click on create button, it will create one blank project for you. As you can see, this is our blank project. Let me explain you everything here. If you will see this, this is our component window. Like we have to just drag the component from here. There is a two option. You can drop it to the screen or you can drop it here. both the thing will work. It is something like Scratch. If you know the Scratch, in the Scratch we have a design part, like we are adding the sprites, we are adding the backgrounds, right? And then we are adding all the blocks, that is our code. So same thing we have here also. We need to do the design part. Design is something like our component. Suppose we want label, so you can drag and drop the label, and then with the help of this blocks window we are going to be start the code. Okay, so that's a very simple. Let's start this project. So if you want to create this project, where if you will click on button, your camera will open, your camera will capture the photo, and then camera will try to recognize about that photo. Okay, so we will require 5 to 6 components. Let me add that one by one. We will require this button. So you have to just drag and drop. See, the name is button. As you can see, this is text option. From here we need to write click me. Suppose this is click me. You can change your background color, background like button background color. You can increase the size. So the designing, the layout you can do from here. Suppose we want to change the screen color. You need to click on screen, select background color, any color you can add. So whatever is your favorite color, you can add that color. Suppose we selected this one. Then we added the button. Now what we will require one image where whatever camera will capture the photo, that photo we are going to be store in the image. So in this image, you will get your image. Okay. Then we will require two more component where we will get the prediction. Like what is that image all about? So for that we will require this labels. Okay. Label means in the label you will get the result, like that statement. In this image, we are able to get the image, whatever camera will capture the image. If you will click on button, then only everything will happen. Okay. The next part, we will require camera as well. So you have to search for camera. You need to add it. So as you can see, we added the camera. In the same way, we will require the image recognizer. So image recognizer, this one. So as you can see, total we added 6 component. If you want, you can write this 6 component in your notebook and later on you can perform it. We will require one button. You have to rename it. We will require image. We will require 2 labels. We will require camera and image recognizer. So there are total 6 component. Now let's start block. Where you will get the block. See, this is design and this is blocks. Now, what is our project algorithm? If you will see, the project algorithm is, if you will click on button, so the very first step that we will take is button. Go to the button and take it. So whatever I'm saying orally, the same thing we need to perform. We need to take a blocks. Okay. So the first thing that we added is, when we will click on button, what we want our camera will open. When we will click on button, our camera will open. So where is the camera? This one. We are going to be call the camera. Like when we will click on the button, our camera will open. Camera will capture the photo. Okay. So see, camera will capture the photo. That photo we are going to be store in the image. So that's why you need to click on the image. You need to set it. What we are going to be set, whatever camera will capture the photo. So this photo we will take from here and you need to attach here. See this again. Let me delete it. When button is clicked, we are going to be call the camera. So what will happen? Camera will open, camera will capture the photo. Where we are going to be show this photo, you need to click on image. We need to set this image. In this image, we are going to be set this photo. So what will happen? Camera will open, camera will capture the photo. That photo we will add here. Okay. And after adding this photo, The next part is we are going to be called the image recognizer, because now we open the camera captured the photo, that photo also we saved. Now what image recognizer will do, it will recognize what is that image, what objects we have in that image. So for that, we need to provide first photo, because if you will pass the photo, then only camera will, like your image recognizer will recognize that. Now see, camera will take a input as a photo and it will produce these informations, some tags, what is the description of that image, what is the confidence level of that image, what is the error. And that, if you remember, I told you we will require some labels, because in that label only we are going to be show the value. So the first value we will show the description, the second value which we will show this confidence level. You can show the tags and error also. Like you need to go to the design, try to take two more label and show this tag and error as well, because this image recognizer is showing us the four result. So only this is the coding that we will require for this project. It's very simple. If you will see, anyone can do it, right? So when button is clicked, we will call the camera. Camera will take a photo. That photo we will set in the image. This photo we will get from the photo. Then we will call our image recognizer. It will take a input as a photo and it will produce this four result: tag, description, confidence level and error. And these value we are going to be show in the label. Now if I will run it live test, click me. See, my camera get open, camera captured the photo and we are getting this result. One is the confidence level and one is our description. Okay. So in this way, we can create a small app, and it is very simple. As you can see, this is not so complicated. You have to just do the design part, and the design is also very simple. We used only six components like two label, one image, one button, one camera, one image recognizer, and then we added this code. The code is also very simple. Okay, so in this way you can create your own apps. So in this video series we are going to be create a very good apps as well. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Even you can mention in the comment section like I wanted to create this app or any scratch project or anything. So next video I'm going to be create about that. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.